dancers! Welcome to our channel. Here we have a little Audrey who is going to assist me today. And we are going to learn the waltz. Have you ever heard a dance called the waltz? It's a very beautiful and elegant dance, very dreamlike dance. So this is the step that we are going to learn today. You can take something in your hand, like a little scarf or something to move, and let's just move it sideways like this. Audrey, let's move sideways our little scarf. Yes, like this. And now we are going to add a little step, and we are going to go side and side. Let's go, Audrey. And side and side. Beautiful. Side and side, and we just sway and feel elegant. Let's try this with the music. Are you ready, Audrey? Okay, and get ready. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Beautiful, Audrey. And 1, 2, 3, and let's do a little turn. Turn. Yes, and the other side. Whee! And a little underarm turn. Woo! Okay, good job. And we hope you tried it with us. And we hope you like the step. Thank you. See you next time. Bye. Wait, Audrey.